Hello friends, this is Anna from Hertzum. Today I will show you how to use the Clockhound app in your Monday.com instance. Welcome! For this video, we will start by adding the Clockhound time entry item view to the boards in need of time tracking. On any board inside your instance, go to the Start Conversation button of any item. This button is circle-shaped and has a plus symbol inside it. A menu on the right will be deployed with the name of the item you selected. Here we have some item view. Using the plus button inside the second interface, we can add Clockhound. So go ahead and click this button. This will display an interface with all the available item views you have from your installed apps. Search for Clockhound in the search bar and then select the Clockhound item by clicking on the button Add to Item. This action will add the time entry of all items inside the board. We can now start logging time inside any item on the board. For this, we access the app via the same steps as before. We access the item view using the Add Conversation inside Monday and search the tab for Clockhound. Inside the time entry form, we have some fields that need to be entered. Description, used for describing what you did in the time entered. Date where the hours were used. Hours, the total of hours. Minutes, the minutes used. We have 4 options here that are based on a 15-minute range. We have 2 more optional fields to enter. Billing type, such as billable or no billable, and code, such as project manager or application expert. You can make use of this view and enter time as you need. Once the time is entered, it will be registered on Clockhound logboard in the Entered Hours group. This is where all time entries are going to be posted. We will move this item to the Approved Hours group to start using the second feature of the app, the Clockhound Pivot Table board view. We access the second feature by selecting the second tab in the Clockhound logboard. We are now able to see reports what we entered and approved. We are now able to see a report with the entered approved hours until now. This report can be edited by selecting the Show options on the top left of the table. By clicking this button, we can select various filters and calculations such as sum of the hours, sum of the billing to the clients, and sum of the billing for the employees. Finally, we can use the Export Table button to create an Excel file from the created report. And this is it, the complete workflow of the Monday.com Clockhound app.